Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 1, leçon G. So what will we discover in this lesson? We'll discover le verbe aller. So the verb aller, aller means to go, so it's really useful because, well, we tend to use it like that, so for the main to go reason quite often. And we'll use it as also, like in many languages, for what we call the futur proche, so the near future. I am going to, and then you put a verb at the infinitive. So it is quite used, especially in the oral language. We tend to maybe use it a little bit more than the real future. Okay, so let's see how you conjugate this aller verb. The first form is je vais. Okay, so remember, final S not pronounced here. Je vais. Okay, when you combine this A-I, you get the sound E, really open. Okay, je vais. D'accord? Tu vas. Final S doesn't exist. Tu vas. Tu vas. Okay, then we've got this il. So remember, il, it's for the masculine form, so he. Okay, and then elle, she. Okay, and then you get the va form. Basically, you pronounce it like for the tu because you don't pronounce the final S. Okay, il va, elle va. Okay, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Then nous, so we, plural form. Nous allons. Okay, and if you, so final S not pronounced. And then if you are purist, and I'm sure you are, you want to make this beautiful and little liaison, so this little link between the words. So it does mean that you will have to pronounce this z sound. Okay, listen to me. Nous allons. Nous allons. Okay, nous allons. That's it. Same thing here. We'll have this little link between the two. Vous allez. Vous allez. And the last one. So remember, here you've got this S just to make the difference between the singular and the plural, because when you put the plural form, normally you tend to add S at the end of the words, okay, like here. But then you don't pronounce it. So, ils vont, final T, not pronounced. Ils vont. And then feminine form, elles vont. All right, let's see everything again. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. All right, and then just few examples just to show you how useful this aller verb can be, because we tend to use this aller verb when you want to ask if someone is doing fine. Okay, so the first question, how do you do, in French is comment. So how, comment, allez-vous? And then same thing here, little link between the two. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? All right, so I've been putting this vous form here for the first example just to show you that if you meet someone for the first time, then it's better to use this vous. So here the vous form, so because it's the polite form. Okay, comment allez-vous? Okay, it's a question, so raise a little bit your voice at the end, like comment allez-vous? Okay, you see, comment allez-vous? All right, so answer when you want to say, I'm doing fine. Okay, je vais bien. And then you say, merci, thank you. Je vais bien, merci. So now, if you know the person, okay, you get two options. I mean, normally that's the most used one. The first one would be, comment vas-tu? Okay, so in that case, you just switch and you change this you, so polite form, and you change it with this tu form. comment vas-tu? Okay. Well, answer can be the same, you know. Je vais bien, merci. Okay. And the other one, comment ça va? Okay. It would be like impersonal form. Okay. So you're not really addressing directly to the person. How is it going? Could be translated like that in English. Okay. Comment ça va? Okay. You raise a little bit at the end. Comment ça va? And then same thing, you can answer with ça va, merci. Okay, so let's read them. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. Comment vas-tu? Je vais bien, merci. Comment ça va? Ça va, merci. Okay, that's it. So remember, it's a leçon G. It does mean that you can find leçon H right here. Okay, and then more thing on the website imagier.net. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.